thickness on the rear panel is slightly elevated.
Acknowledged. The pattern looks stable otherwise.
This section here, the reading seems off.
No, it matches the spec. We are good to go.
Panel gap confirmed at 3 millimeters.
Surface finish scan complete. No anomalies detected.
Look at the fluctuation here during the cycle.
It's within the acceptable parameters, but let's monitor the next run.
Staging zone 4 is clear. Confirm movement sequence 3.
Sequence 3 confirmed. All vehicles accounted for.
Inspection complete on my end.
Rear restraints secured. We are good to go.
Looks good from my side. The paint finish is flawless.
Agreed. All diagnostics passed.
We need to shift these three to the east lane for priority loading.
All right, updating the sequence.
Exterior looks good. Charging port secured?
Yes, confirmed. Ready for outbound.
We need to move lane 5 up in the queue.
Adjusting the schedule now. The crane is ready.
The front clearance looks good. Markings are clear.
Confirmed. I'll note the minor scuff on the rear quarter, but it passes compliance.
The schedule is green. We are clear for departure. Confirmed on the tablet. Sending the clearance signal now.
Slow, slow, and halt.
Alignment confirmed. Locking engaged. Good job. All checks passed. The manifest is updated.
Excellent. Authorize release.
Slow down approaching the merge point. Keep it steady, clear on the right side.
Manifest and diagnostics checked out on Terminal 2.
Confirmed. Route is clear. Clearance looks good up top. What's the geometry reading?
Spot on. We are aligned and ready to proceed.
Straps and chains secured. Digital manifest complete.
Confirmed. Let's get this moved out.
AGV 42 tracking nominal.
Confirmed. Proceed to Bay 3.
Platform 7 is secure. Initiating stabilization sequence now.
Acknowledged. Transfer manifest updated.
Battery levels are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Locking the platform now.
Route 4 optimization is complete.
Confirmed. Send the green unit to loading bay 7.
That speed is perfect.
Continue straight until the next bay, then prepare to angle right.
Bay alignment confirmed. Ready for dispatch.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Routing sequence confirmed for Zone C.
Acknowledged. VN check complete. Ready for transfer.
Final checks complete on Unit 7.
Confirmed. Ready for regional dispatch.
Monitoring reports complete.
System handoff confirmed. Vehicle clear.